This is how to set up your Google credentials in n8n, so you can connect to Google services like Google Drive, Gmail, Docs, or Sheets. Once you're done, you will unlock the ability to build powerful workflows with Google Apps. Don't worry, it's simpler than it sounds, and I will walk you through everything step by step. First, we need a trigger to activate our workflow. So click on the Add First Step, then select Trigger manually. To get started, we will set up a Google Drive node. So let's search for Google Drive. Select Google Drive. Then we have to select actions we want to perform. So in this case, we want to download file from Google Drive. So select this module. Now we have to set up credentials. So click on this little pen here. As you can see, I already set up my Google Drive account. So let's do it from scratch. Click on the Create New Credentials. So you see that n8n requires a client ID and client secret to connect to your Google account. So this means we need to set up credentials in Google Cloud Console, which is what we will do next. Now we are gonna open Docs, because we need to set up our Google Cloud account. Scroll down, and right here under Prerequisites, click on Google Cloud. Now we have to go to our console. So click on Console. Now we have to create our project. So let's do it from scratch. Click on New Project. Let's name it n8n demo. Click on Create. So Google Cloud will create our project. So this project is where we will set up permissions for n8n to interact with your Google services. So now that the project is created, let's open it. In the left menu, go to API Services. And on OAuth consent screen, choose External, click Create, name it something recognizable like n8n Google Integration. You need to provide support email. Scroll down. Provide your developer email address. Click Save and Continue. Keep the scopes and hit Save and Continue. Under Test Users, add your email address as a test user and hit Save. Now we need to provide authorized redirect URL. So go back to n8n. Copy this URL. Add URL. Paste it here. And click Create. Now Google generated a client ID and client secret. So copy the client ID. Go back to n8n. Paste it here. Copy client secret. And paste it here. Click sign in with Google. A Google login screen will appear. Select the account you added as a test user area. And grant n8n the necessary permissions, like access to Google Drive or Gmail. Click continue. And continue. So once authorized, n8n will show a green status indicator and confirming the connections was successful. So now we are connected. Even though the credentials are connected, we are not done yet. We need to enable the APIs for the Google services we plan to use. So go back to Google Cloud. Go to Enabled APIs and Services. Search for the API you need, like Google Drive API, and click Enable. And repeat this step for other APIs, like Gmail API, Google Docs API, or Google Sheets, depending on your workflow requirements. Once enabled, these APIs will allow n8n to communicate with Google services. And that's it. You have successfully set up Google Credentials in n8n, giving you full access to Google services for your workflows. If this tutorial helped you, please like it and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.